Hi everyone, my name is Tessa Hoover, and today I will be presenting childhood bullying within our education system. I chose to cover childhood bullying because I feel it is a huge problem within our school system today. I believe that many kids are being mistreated by other children, and I believe that we must come up with a solution to fix this problem. In my speech today, I'll be going over the prevalence of childhood bullying. I will be going over short-term and long-term effects that it has on our children. I'd like to discuss what we can do to prevent bullying at school as well as any school surroundings. And I'd like to go over the topics of what type of bullying can occur and what it does to our children in the long run. So every day, most of us as parents send our children off to school. We believe that we're sending them off to a safe environment that is happy and secure. However, it's proven that 1 in every 4 children today are being bullied at school. So starting from 6th grade to 12th grade, there's a 28% chance that your child is going to fall victim to being bullied. As 9th grade approaches through 12th, there's still a 20% chance that your child may go to school every day in fear for themselves, for their safety and well-being, because still 20% of kids are being bullied. Sadly, 30% of children have admitted that they've bullied another child at school, which to me is very scary for our children. These are some other statistics that I found that show how prevalent bullying is. I found that every 7 minutes a child on the playground is being bullied by another student. And I just wanted to point that out, that our children are going out to enjoy themselves and have a break from their curriculum, but they're going outside in fear because somebody is going to bully them, that has already bullied them, that may bully them every day or maybe every other day, but it's still affecting them. So now we're going to discuss direct bullying. Direct bullying can be termed as social bullying, which means cell phones, text messaging, social media bullying. Emotional, obviously there's going to be a lot of emotion that comes from being bullied. Physical bullying is physical abuse to another person. That means physically harming our children from another child. And verbal abuse also falls with indirect bullying. This can cause children to be withdrawn from school, family, and friends. It pretty much causes them to be withdrawn from life and hide because they want to hide their feelings, and they're too scared to discuss what's going on and what's wrong with them. Some other short-term effects that this can have on our children is depression. It can cause major anxiety. It can give children a very negative self-image of themselves from being bullied every day. They may be told that they're ugly, that they're worthless, they need to die. All of these things can have a very great and devastating effect on our kids. Violent behavior from the child that's being bullied is something that's very common and also seen from these children getting bullied every day. Long-term effects of bullying can continue into adulthood. That is social anxiety and, believe it or not, PTSD, which is post-traumatic syndrome. These adults are living basically in fear because of the torment they went through as a child, so therefore they're still withdrawn and lead a very sad and lonely life. Unfortunately, for some of these children, even adults, the bullying can be so bad and cause such tremendous anxiety and negativity within the person that they've also taken their own lives from it. So we need to discuss now, what can we do to stop the bullying? First of all, it is very, very important for parents, children, caregivers, teachers, anybody to be able to recognize symptoms and signs that a child is being bullied. Obviously, if they're being bullied physically, you'll be able to see bruising and whatnot on the child, because they'll have injuries. But there are also other signs from within that a child will show that we need to be aware of. I think that in school systems, we need to bring awareness to bullying and talk about how it affects others and what we can do to make bullying stop if we are seeing someone being bullied. And I believe that there has to be a clear and easy system that reassures children that they can safely and discreetly report bullying to teachers and their parents. I truly believe that parents and guardians play a huge role in teaching their children responsibility of right and wrong. We all know that it is our job as parents to teach our children how to treat others. And that would be being good role models ourselves and not bullying others. But we also need to see the signs in our own children if they are the person who is bullying someone else. And that might be signs of anger and just not being able to carry on relationships with other children, constant fighting, just signs like that we need to be aware of if our child is putting another child in danger. So wrapping this up, I would just like to go over again how important it is to realize and recognize the signs of bullying within our children, to see the signs and symptoms that they might be displaying and understand what those mean. It is very important that schools and teachers in any school setting like football games or school outings be monitored by teachers. And if something is reported to teachers, it's very important that they take that seriously and take action against that, whether it be true or not, or a big deal or not. It will always be a big deal if a child takes their life because they reported something and nobody did anything about it. And it is also very important for parents to teach their children respect and how to treat others and how it makes another feel if they are someone who's being bullied and the pressure that it puts on everyone when this happens.